191 new positive cases were reported in Goa on 6th August 2020. According to health bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on August 6, 2020, 166 people recovered. Total confirmed cases in the states are 7,614. Total active cases in the state stands at 2,095. Total recovered cases stands at 5,453. Total 66 deaths are reported till August 6, 2020. 67 years male and 73-year male, both from Vasco, admitted at ESI COVID Hospital Marga with comorbid conditions, expired on 6th August 2020. Out of 3,376 samples tested, 1,946 are negative, 191 are positive, 1,239 reports awaited. At present, patient and isolation wards are 69. At present, people quarantined in various residences, hotels are 46, as per media bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 6th August 2020. Breakup of total 2,095 active positive cases are as follows. North Goa Community Health Center, CSC Bicholim 12, CSC Sakre 60, CSC Pernam 37, CSC Valpai 67, Urban Health Center, USC Mapsa 76, USC Panji 78, Primary Health Center, PSC Aldona 20, PSC Betki 17, PSC Kandolim 57, PSC Kansarvarnem 6, PSC Kolwaye 43, PSC Kolim 52, PSC Chimbel 120, PSC Shuolim 17, PSC Purwarim 48, PSC Mayam 19, Travelers by Road, Flight, Train 13. South Goa Community Health Center, CSC Kurchorim 35, CSC Kankana 14, Urban Health Center, USC Marga 156, USC Vasco 368, Primary Health Center, PSC Bali 57, PSC Kaunsaolim 37, PSC Chinchenem 2, PSC Kortalim 284, PSC Kurtorim 54, PSC Lutolim 35, PSC Marsayam 26, PSC Kwapam 40, PSC Sangam 19, PSC Shiroda 40, PSC Darbandara 31, PSC Ponda 108, PSC Navelim 47. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.